Hey everybody, so we are switching out products and swapping, making some safer swaps to toxin free as much as possible. My favorite swap so far has been Force of Nature. This is a multi-purpose cleaner. So this is completely toxin free, and it's going to replace the use of bleach, Febreze, Resolve, Windex, scrubbing bubbles. What else am I missing? Like 409 degreaser. So it's going to replace a lot of toxic cleaning products in your household. This is the bottle that it comes with. And then it also comes with this little machine here. And this is the electrolyzer. So I have their website pulled up over here. Not sure if you guys could see that or not, but so that I get the science and everything completely accurate. So it is 99.9% effective on germs. And let me see here. It's approved. Let's see, it says kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria, even staph, MRSA, norovirus, influenza A, salmonella, listeria. It also is effective on COVID-19. And it is EPA registered for use in hospitals, medical, dental, veterinary clinics, daycares, schools, restaurants, hotels, gyms, offices, and more. This is completely safe for us, our pets, which is extremely important to me. And I'll tell you guys a little story the very first time I made my first bottle. So my kids are 3 and 1 and absolutely love spray bottles. I have tall children, so they can easily reach on the counter. And if we're not careful and put cleaning products away in the little child lock cabinets or far enough in on the cabinet, they can get them. Well, my 3-year-old got this off the counter because I did not put it far enough back because I was in the middle of using it and cleaning it. Well, he snuck in, got it, took it to the bedroom, and was spraying his 1-year-old brother down with it. So luckily, this has no toxins, and it wasn't like our normal multi-purpose cleaner. I think I always used Mr. Clean or something like that before. So basically how this works is you get these little activator capsules. And in this is a mixture of water, salt, and vinegar. And then basically you fill, this has a fill line, so you fill this up, and it's wet because I just made this bottle today. You fill it up with water. You pour one of these capsules in here, and then you simply turn it on. Okay, there we go. So this blue, there's nothing in it, so that's why it won't stay on. But there's a blue light that comes on, and then it turns green when this is done and ready to use. So it basically adds electricity to the mixture, and you get hypochlorous acid, which is the same germ-killing substance that your immune system makes. And it says that it's gentle to be used on wound and eye care products. And then you also get a byproduct of sodium hydroxide, which is a detergent common in toothpaste, skincare, cleaners. This says only contains 0.0000003% and claims just as effective as leading brands. So, basically, like I said, it's salt, vinegar, water. You add electricity, and then you get this awesome cleaning mixture that is toxin free. Now, the reason why they have to have these capsules is because the formula and chemical ratio is so sensitive that you could make bleach if you didn't have the right amount of pH. Um, you could also, I think, and you wouldn't have like as long, you'd have like an even shorter shelf life. So this, when you use this and fill it up to the fill line, it makes this bottle, which is almost full. I think I've used this a couple times, but this is only effective for 2 weeks. So you can either mark on your bottle when you made it, or after you've emptied out your contents into the bottle, then you just simply press this. I think my thing keeps coming undone. Press this twice. Yeah, the plug-in that I have it into, because I had to bring it over here, is not the greatest. So you press this twice, and basically this will light up green. And then as the time progresses, the color will change. Like, it'll be green all the way around, and then it'll be only green part of the way. And then when it turns red, that means anything left in this bottle you need to throw out and make new. I have not had an issue with, because it has so many uses, I haven't had an issue with having to throw anything out. I use it. It's great for like sippy cups. I spray it in those to like in between uses and stuff like that. Like even as like a pre-cleaner. I spray it on high chairs. I've used it in tennis shoes to like cut down on the foot odor. Diaper pails, trash cans. I clean my counter with it, my mirrors. So we just kind of use it for a little bit of everything. There are tons of uses, and the website definitely lets you know what all you can use it for. I even actually just tagged them in like my Instagram stories, saying that like time for another bottle, and the company sent me a message with different ways to use it, which I thought was awesome. So basically they have different like starter kits, bundles. So there's something for a little bit of everybody. I got one that had a bunch of the activator capsules and some reusable towels that came along with it. And then you get the bottle, your spray bottle, and your electrolyzer. So it's electrolyzed water, essentially. And like I said, it will only last for 2 weeks. So what they said is kind of think of it like like bubbles in like a soda. It's carbonated and they're not going to last. I'm trying to find that, but think bubbles in soda. So the hypochlorous acid dissipates after about 2 weeks. So it loses its disinfecting power, and you need to make fresh. So it says that we size our spray bottles so that you can easily use it in up to 2 weeks. And you're essentially not wasting and having to use several different plastic bottles. This is it. So I love that it's safe. I love that you're cutting down on your plastic usage and your waste. Also, they have like, if you try it and you like it and you want to share it with your friends, then you get your own referral link and you can send that to your friends and you get free product. So that's also amazing. I've also seen several, like every time I get on their website, they have some type of code for 30% off and free shipping. So right now the code is FORCE. That's FORCE, FORCE. You get 30% off of all starter kits and bundles, and free shipping on all orders. So I will go ahead and put all that information in the little description and the comments and everything down there. But like I said, this is by far, I have not had anything that it couldn't clean. I've actually had some stubborn like ring stains on my counter from like coffee cups, and it it got that out. So it's as tough as bleach, but not as harmful as bleach. So it's great for using like front load washers in the rubber gasket. And the reason, even though it contains vinegar, once you add the electricity, it's not going to be as harmful or harsh on certain surfaces. Like, this is completely safe to use on stone. Now, vinegar, you cannot. Vinegar over a while is going to deteriorate rubber gaskets and grout. This will not. So there's a lot more perks to actually using the force of nature than just cleaning with regular vinegar, if that's something that you already do. And some of the reasons, like, it's more versatile, basically, and it's going to keep your surfaces and floors, because you can mop with it, lasting longer. Like the grout and stuff like that lasts longer. So like I said, I absolutely 100% love this product. I have not had any complaints about it. I feel a lot better knowing that if the cleaning product doesn't get put up under the cabinet, that it's not going to hurt my children. So I hope everyone checks it out, because we all need a little bit less toxins in our life.